curvy this baby. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delina, and in today's video I'm doing a Valentine's Day date night type of makeup look, and it's like the perfect look to go out, whether you're gonna be with your boo or spend Valentine's Day by yourself. You know, there's no problem with that either. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So to start off, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Light Warm to prime my eyes and use this as an eyeshadow base. And then for the eyeshadow, we're gonna dive into the Morphe James Charles collab palette and take the color Punch Me. It's like a nice medium brown on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm gonna layer this several times in my crease just to build up the intensity. And then next I'm going to take Tea, which is a deep rich chocolate brown color, and start layering this in the outer V. So because this is going to be a smoky eye, I'm going to do a lot of layering with the shadows so that it looks really blown out and sultry. And then this is me just going back in with the first brush to diffuse the edge a bit. Before applying the lid shade, I'm actually going to take the same concealer and softly cut my crease. I'm going back in with the leftover color Tea on that same brush just so that I can blend that edge a bit, and also retouching the transition because some of the concealer kind of covered it. And for the lid, we're going to take Wig, which is basically a pressed pigment, and that's why I'm using my finger for it, because when I tried it with the brush, it didn't really deposit the color well, but it is such a nice sparkly bronze color. So after that, I'm going to retouch the outer corner with Tea, just to make it extra smoky and sultry, you know, gotta look extra sexy for Valentine's Day. And I'm just going to blend the edge a bit so that, you know, it looks very nice and blown out. Now I'm going to take Benny, which is basically a really deep eggplant color, on a pencil brush, and we're going to sketch out as if this were eyeliner. So by doing a shadow liner, it looks a lot softer and it ties in with the whole smoky look. Next, I'm going to highlight my brow bone using Flashback and Canvas. To conceal my dark circles, because obviously I have eye bags on deck, I'm going to use this Anastasia concealer as a color corrector essentially, because it does a really good job at canceling out those bluish purple tones. And for foundation, I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of me using this in every single video and tutorial, but it is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Sorry guys, I can't help it. It is really my tried and true. And then to contour, cream contour, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toast and apply this on the perimeters of my face, my cheekbones, so that I can sculpt them out, my nose and jawline. And for my nose, I'm taking a brush to blend that out initially, and for the other parts of my face, I'm going to go in with the same blending sponge just to blend everything out. Now I'm going to conceal and brighten up the face, highlight with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer once again. So I'm applying it under my eyes, and as I'm blending it out, I'm going to take it along the sides of my nose and then bring it up towards my temples to give my face a lifted look. And whatever is remaining on the Beauty Blender, I'm going to apply that between my eyebrows, forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and my chin, just to balance out the brightness of my face. To lock all of that concealer in place so it does not budge throughout the day, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Banana Powder on an e.l.f. highlighting brush and just setting that concealer. And whatever is left over on that brush, I'm just going to lightly dust that all over my face to set the foundation and the cream contour as well. Now for bronzer, I'm going to grab this one by Milani on a really big fluffy tulip brush and apply this on the sides of my cheeks. We're not really going to be as precise with this because it's more so an overall bronze. It's just to add warmth and dimension back on the face. So I'm applying this on the cheeks, around the forehead, basically everywhere, so that I look tanner. And then I'm gonna take this angled contour brush and the e.l.f. contour palette, use those bottom two shades, and this is where we go in more with the sculpting action to give ourselves some cheekbones. Now I'm going to take a clean powder brush just to blend everything together to make sure that we don't have stripy contours. And then as a base for my highlight, I'm going to actually grab this liquid highlight by Wet n Wild and apply this on the sponge on top of my cheekbones to give my skin that wet, dewy look. Be sure to blend along the way. Now we're going to grab the Morphe Bretman highlighter palette. I love this thing. And take Vigation on a fluffy crease brush and apply this to the high points of my cheeks to give me that glowy glazed donut look.
Ruel, stop playing.
Don't forget the tip of your nose and the bridge as well. And after highlighting, I like to go back in with my bronzer brush just to melt everything together, because I don't like it when the highlight looks like a stripe on your cheek. That's just not a cute look. You want to make sure everything looks seamless. And for blush, I'm going to take MAC Peaches. This is like an OG that I haven't touched in a while, but I'm glad I rediscovered it again. And applying this on the apples of my cheeks, the tip of my nose, around my forehead, just to give me a flushed look. And to finish off the lower lash line, I'm gonna grab a brown liner pencil and just, this part looks so scary, but yeah, I'm just applying this in my waterline. And I'm taking a smudging brush with that brown shadow we used in the crease just to smudge this out and make it look extra sultry. You want to make your eyes look super fierce. And I'm going to grab a crease brush just to diffuse out everything to make it look soft and smoky. Go ahead and apply your favorite mascara. This is the Diorshow waterproof mascara. It gives me really good length and volume. And for the bottom, I'm using this Essence I Heart Extreme Lash Mascara. It's really good for the bottom lash line. And then for lashes, I'm applying these wispy lashes that I got off of Amazon. And then this is what it looks like with the lashes. Totally completes the whole look. Love it. After that, I'm going to take my Morphe lip pencil in Sweet Tea to outline my lips. The lipstick I'm using here is by Maybelline and is called Nude Embrace. As you guys can see, I've used a lot of it. It's such a beautiful nude color. So I'm applying that, and then I'm going to top it off with some lip gloss. This one is the Revlon Sandstorm Super Luscious Lip Gloss, and that completes my Valentine's Day date night makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!